How to replace a new replacement blower, AC blower for Toyota. So first is to take this out. Yeah, and that is the blower there. So basically we need to open this bolt and underneath that one. So now we're going to take this out. So we need to open this too, that one, and this too. Okay, so now we can remove this. Okay, so remove the harness there, and also this one. We need to take out that so that we can push there. Next step is to open the bolt here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need 8 to open this bolt. Okay, this one, and 3 of them. So this is the new one, and this is the old one. Okay, so you need to take out this terminal here. Okay, and check there as well if they are identical. So I think it's on the identical. Okay. Now we're going to install this way. Well, okay. So same thing. This is the first one here. Here. So that's in place now. Okay, so I will just tighten. We have 3 screws there. 1, 2, 3. Now. Okay. And here as well. So, okay. I will put this is the terminal wire, and put back everything, and then we will start it. Okay. This one. You can see there. Okay, and here, like that. Okay, put the bolt here. One here. And then tight, like there. Okay. It's tight. I have to put this one. Okay. To be. This one is here. So we're going to start it now. We'll check. Okay. Check it. Okay, turn it on. Now it's working. Can you hear that? Really good. Perfect. So the real problem is this one, the motor. Nice. Going to put back the thing now. And this is the real problem. We need to put this first. Okay, something like that. And this one as well. We need to put this. Okay, I will fix the wireless on the harness. So done. Perfect. That's how you fix the blower. Thank you for watching.